virtual desktop, you will have this virtual desktop speakers still installed even though you uninstall everything from the virtual desktop. So here is a way to get rid of the virtual desktop speaker and microphone. So now I still have it I still have it on here. You will going to go to the computer, Macintosh HD. You go into the system. No, you go into the library. Then you go and navigate to the extensions. No, audio plugins, and then you find these two drivers and move them to the trash can, and then you empty the trash. Restart my laptop, so let's check the audio. So now I don't have this virtual desktop audio again. So thanks for watching, and problem resolved.